The question posed by Jarsin, Ray of Hope. Is learning science and mathematics haram in Islam? The general ruling for learning science and mathematics in Islam, it is mubah, it's optional. But if the science and mathematics will get you closer to Islam, then it becomes mustahab, means encouraged. But generally, learning science and Islam, learning science and mathematics, it is mubah, it's optional. But if learning science and mathematics may get you a good living, so that you can earn good for your family, so that becomes mustahab. Mustahab means encouraged. If learning science and mathematics gets you closer to Allah, it becomes mustahab, means encouraged. If that science and mathematics gets you a good job, so that you can feed your family well, it becomes mustahab. If that science and mathematics takes you away from Islam, then if it's going to cause loss to you, it becomes makruh. It can even come under the haram category. But generally, learning science and mathematics, it's mubah or mustahab. General mathematics and science that you learn in the school, it will either fall in the mubah category or may come in the mustahab category, because it will help you to earn your living. It may get you closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Like Allah says, Sanurim ayatina fil afaqi wa fi anfusihim. In Surah Fussilat chapter 41, verse number 53. That soon we shall show you our signs in the further regions of the horizons. So when you study science and you understand the Quran better and you know your Lord better, it will come in the mustahab category. If you study science and you study mathematics, it lets you earn a halal living so that you can feed your family. It comes in the mustahab category, encouraged category. If it's not doing anything, then it comes under the mubah category, that is, it is permissible, it's optional. Hope that answers the question. There's a question on the YouTube. Seeker. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Soban Javed from Pakistan. If the price of a thing is 2,000, but on installment it is 3,000, is it halal? If the normal price of any article, any item is 2,000, and you pay an installment every month or every alternate month or for every month for 1 year or 2 years, and the price becomes 50% more, from 2,000 it becomes 3,000, is it permitted? No, it's not permitted, it is riba. Anything excess is riba. So even if you take 1 rupee more, whether it be 1,000 rupee, if you are taking extra money because you are paying it late or a delayed payment or an installment, it is riba and this is haram. And Allah clearly states in the Quran, in Surah Baqarah chapter 2, verse number 278 to 279, that if you give up not your demands of riba, then take notice of a war from Allah and His Rasul. If you deal in riba, whether give or take, Allah and His Rasul will wage a war against you. And which human being has the guts to fight with Allah and His Rasul? So this type of transaction is haram.